Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, guys. Today we are going to do an open box for an Andycine monitor. In fact, this is their newer monitor. I'm using the older Andycine monitor right now. They are probably my favorite camera monitors of all. You seem to get your most bang for the buck. So let's jump into the box and see what we got. So I had a conversation with Andycine the other day, and they asked if I would be willing to try out their new monitor, and of course I said I would. I love their products. So let's see what we got. And that's one of the first reasons they make the coolest boxes of everybody. These little boxes right here, they could just sell these boxes by themselves and I'd still buy one. That's how cool. I just love these little boxes. You guys know I like things like that. So we open it up. Nice case, nice presentation inside it. Looking good. We've got our instructions and stuff here. Up top, we'll probably have a lot of accessories. They usually fill it full. They do. We have a lot of cords, everything you can imagine. This is our HDMI to mini HDMI. This is HDMI to HDMI. And the third cable says micro, but the micro is the other one. I'm not exactly sure, but it looks like more like some kind of older USB. I'm not sure, but anyway, you're covered if you've got whatever cable you need on this is. And these, of course, are handy as could possibly be. I mentioned these the other day on the Prime Day sale. I can't get enough of these because I lose things. And these are very handy, not only for camera monitors, but they're handy for a lot of things. That's how I end up losing them, is I take them off the camera monitor and put them somewhere else, and I forget to put it back. But this will go into your hot shoe. You can bend this forward, backwards, whatever you need to, so you can see your monitor properly. Fits into a hot shoe, or you can put it into a cold shoe. Either way, you're good to go. So let's get into the main item that we are looking for. And that is right here. This is the Andycine X5L. Right there. And there is the back. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but there's two cool things about this. One is very cool. We're going to be doing a video on this as I'm using it, so I won't give away all the secrets yet. This is just a box opening. I don't know if you guys caught that, but there's something very, very cool and different about this monitor that I really love. I love the size. It's bigger than the one that I've got now. We've got the hood that goes on the front of it, so if you're out in the sun, you can see it a little bit better. Although it's plenty bright, I believe, without one of these. I still like having these, but it's supposed to be plenty bright without one. So anyway, but yes, this is the 6-inch, and I am very excited that they have sent this to me. I've got some ideas that I want to do with this, and like I said, I'm using their older version right now on top of the camera monitor, on top of my camera right now, and I just love it. So this one has a few things I think I'm gonna like even more, and it's really, there's one particular thing that sets this monitor away from most other camera monitors that I think I'm going to really love. Now, some people may hate it, but I really like it, or at least I think I will. So that'll be it for our box opening. Check back in about a week to 2 weeks, and I will have an actual video on the monitor itself where I go over and explain everything about the monitor. I'm looking forward to it. I appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you're looking for a camera monitor, I don't think you can go wrong with Andycine. This is the X5L. The one I'm using now is the X5. I've never had any issues, and you just get a lot of bang for your buck with Andycine. So anyway, guys, I will leave a link down at the bottom, but check back in about 2 weeks and we will have a finished video on the monitor itself. We'll go from there. I appreciate it, guys. For helping you out, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.